party here now, and the slumber party is on the go. So we're having a slumber party here at Rushie's house. DJ Rush. Alright, so DJ Rush is going to play the video for y'all. So here we go. Episode. What is it? Alright, let's click.
Hey sis, do you have any extra cash?
You better get a job and pay me back.
A job? Oh no, a job.
Babe, where's the TV?
It's right behind us. I'll go get it.
Okay, babe. Be careful. Be careful. Put it down right there, just like that. No, turn it around. Yeah, that's it.
Hello, Dad.
Hello, princess. How can I help you?
I'm at the mall and I need money.
Sorry, baby. No can do.
I can't believe he said no. What am I going to do? I really need those shoes. Oh, man. My life is so disappointing.
You bought way too much today.
This is not a lot, and I didn't even get the shoes.
That was a good art program, babe. What time is it?
It's around 4:30 p.m.
Oh no, I have to get home. It's late.
I'll walk with you to the door.
I'll see you tomorrow, babe. Wow, sis is not home yet? I'll watch some TV then.
I'm just good at caring.
Do you hear music? I guess your sister's home. What are you gonna tell her?
I'm just good at
Hey sis, I have a story to tell you. Your car got declined.
What did you say? How could you? I'm gonna tell mom and dad when they get home.
Sorry.
we all mine.
Dad, you can't believe what sis did with my credit card. I'm so upset. Go talk to her.
I'm just good at
What did you do to your sister's card?
I borrowed it. He must have overspent without thinking. And then the car got declined. I'm so sad, Dad.
I'll get ready for bed.
Who can I get money from? Let's call Mom. Hi, Mom. I need money.
No, baby. It's not your allowance time yet.
Really? Hi, babe. I need money.
I don't have any money, honey. Sorry.
Oh, no. Hi, bro. I need money.
No,
Can you lend?
I ain't got no money right now.
Hey, girl. I need money.
Girl, didn't we just went shopping together? I ain't got no money.
Broke asses. Hey, sis. Do you have any extra cash?
You better get a job and pay me back.
A job? Oh, no. A job.